Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cleaning my disgusting refrigerator. I have been wanting to clean this out for weeks now. I was definitely going to do it last week, but we ended up having to get our groceries like a day earlier than I planned, and so that didn't work out. Something spilled in the door. I don't know what it was, but it looks really gross. If you don't know, we are renting, and the lady that owns the house, I don't know why she's holding on to this refrigerator, but the bottom shelf is like broken. So at the end of this, my husband taped it for me after I cleaned it. Since we moved in, we have not even had like a handle on the door. So that wasn't us. It's been like this. Some of the stains in here, I think, are from the previous owners. Like, this is a really old refrigerator, but I'm going to do my best to clean it. So first I am going through everything and checking expiration dates and throwing old things away. Does anyone else keep batteries in their refrigerator? Because I have heard that it helps make them last longer, but then I've also heard that that's not true. I don't know. But we don't really use the little top area, so we usually just stick our batteries in there. So let me know if you guys do that too. Oh my goodness, you guys, I was like so grossed out when I saw this. I have no idea what even spilled in here. I don't even know how this got broken, but like I said, after I scrubbed everything, my husband went in there and taped it up. So cleaning the refrigerator out took a lot longer than I had planned, and it was actually lunchtime. So while I'm taking things out, I was making food for the girls. And in that big container, it was leftover lasagna that my husband and I had the night before. So he was actually home on this day and playing with the baby in the living room so I could clean the kitchen. So I warmed that up for us. So we had this huge jar of pickles all the way in the back of our refrigerator for what seems like forever. I just mentioned to my husband that I really like the big pickles like that, and he got like the biggest jar ever, and I was like, I'm not gonna eat all of that. And we ate like a couple of them, but they've just been sitting there and they take up a lot of space, so I did end up just getting rid of those. So now I'm just taking out all of the vegetables and taking out the drawers so I can wash those also. And this is what the refrigerator looks like before I clean everything. It is so gross. So I do not like to use harsh chemicals, especially in my refrigerator. I just think that the smell like really lingers and it grosses me out. So what I'm actually using is I mixed really hot water with white vinegar, and then I just put like a couple of drops of Dawn dish soap, and that's what I use to clean the refrigerator.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being
This is what it looked like after I cleaned everything. I think it looks a million times better.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bit of
So now I am putting everything back. You guys, I had so much trash. You can see the trash cans like not even closing. So I filled all that up, and then I also had a whole other bag of trash. So I thought it was time to just rearrange everything in my refrigerator, and I wanted to put the drinks up at the top and then just leave the big bottom shelf for all of our vegetables. So we actually got our groceries the same day. So I was cleaning this in the morning, and then so my next video will be a grocery haul, and then I will also be showing you the refrigerator again once I have all the groceries inside.
on the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, and this is the final result. I put all of the drinks up at the top. I put our water in there, and then I put my chocolates and stuff in this little container, and we have our eggs and our butter, and there's yogurt and some soup there, and then the whole bottom shelf is empty. Like I said, once we get our vegetables, that will all be filled up. There's like a random jar of pickles, which I'm probably going to move now that we taped the bottom of the refrigerator. And then we have our cheese, and then the drawer has vegetables inside. We kept our batteries up at the top of the refrigerator, and this is what everything else looks like. Whatever had spilled did leave like 2 little stains. I don't know what it was. I kept scrubbing and scrubbing, but it just left like 2 little dots. I don't know what it was, but everything else came off, and it looks so much better. I'm really happy with how it came out. Right now I'm looking through the cabinet that has all of our glasses and cups inside. There was like a lot of cups up at the top that we just don't use anymore. So I just decided to go through them and then get rid of everything that we don't use. And then there's one more cabinet down here I have to go through, but I just wanted to wipe down the cabinets first.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving.
So these are all the cups that we are either donating or just getting rid of. I don't have the tops to those. They're really cute though. This one is like brand new, so we're going to donate that. These are 2 bottles that I've had forever and they have never been used before, so maybe we can donate those. But I think most of the other ones we're just going to get rid of. This is a really cool cup. You can put snacks on the top and then a drink on the bottom. But I don't know what happened to the straw that goes with it. And then this we're just getting rid of, and the cups in the back we're getting rid of. This thing is really cool. If you're making breakfast for a lot of people, it's really nice, but we just haven't used it closet since we moved in, and it takes up a lot of space, so we'll be donating that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!